everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, I think today's agenda, I'm going to try to finish up this boom on the Oliver here and get the top side welded up. I've got some gussets in mind and rounding up some material, so we'll see what we can do with that. I'm not sure how much I'll bring along for this. All of you seen all the welding on the boom. I might just show you the finished product once I get finished. Was able to meet today with a local agency and some big wheels concerning that. Gonna get the bottom land straightened up back to the way it should be and get all this watershed off. So I'm very tickled with that. So I got a little bit earlier start today than normal, but I need to get this tractor out of here. I've got to get the truck in here. I got to work one more day this week, and then I'm off a day before me and the wife head off to our vacation. So I'm trying to get a few things done, get the truck in here and get those parts on it so we can go get those pieces of equipment that I've been talking about for a long time. So bring you along for a little bit of it today, maybe a little different video just here or there. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm still playing with these camera settings, so I'm not sure how this video quality is going to turn out. I'm not thrilled with this little camera. I think I'm going to do something different. But anyway, show you that. Got it pretty close back where it needs to be. We had to use the chain hoist. I did it late Saturday afternoon. Took the chain hoist and picked up on it from the roof and got it pulled up, and then we pulled the booms back together. That's as close as I can get them back together. So I'm going to start running some beads down through here and see if I can at least, my game plan is to at least get it welded up like I did the bottom there, and then finish up, get the gussets cut at a later date, and I can always pull it back in here and put the gussets in. At least the boom will be welded back together, and then we still got to tackle all the hydraulic issue. But like I said before, I need to get it out of here and get the truck in here. So let's see what we can do. Okay, well, we got that welded up, good as it's going to get before the gussets. Got a chain on there holding the bucket up. I don't worry about the cylinders right now. I get the hydraulics back. Didn't turn out the best, but it's not too awful bad. It's a little better than what was on there, but I'm not going to show you the other side. Oh, I'll get you a quick view. It looks awful. I had to gob some stuff up on top up there. But there's some fat beads up front just for, I got several root passes in the bottom underneath those. But the gusset's going up here anyway. Let me grab that right quick. Okay, just made me a cardboard template there. I'm just going to put a big gusset there. I got to cut the corner off of it for the weld. But I believe that'll help support it. When I do the gussets, I'm going to cut that piece off. It's still broke at the back, but cut this off. Several commenters, I can't remember now who it was, but I believe that was more damage than good, because as it was getting leverage on it, it was kind of trying to twist this top piece. So hopefully we go in the center here, it'll be a little bit better, but it's a whole lot better than it was. It lasted that long with that gobbed up stuff, so should get us through the rest of the season, and then maybe we'll run across something else. So let's see if we can get this thing out and put it back over on the other side. Got tucked away back in her spot for right now. Move on to something else. That went pretty good all the way around the board. Get those gussets cut and I weld those in and get the hydraulic lines running. Should be good as new. Okay, everybody, I believe we'll wrap this one up for today. Not much at all, just a miscellaneous video. Was able to get the boom finished up, except for the gussets and the hydraulics that the major welding's over with. Got it out of here, got the shop cleaned up, all the cat litter and spots. Did pretty good on the floor. Maybe one day I'll get some of that super clean stuff. But got a few things organized, just catching up. I gotta get my mom and dad's little SUV in here and rotate the tires for them before I put the truck in here. And then we're going to get the truck in, hopefully get working on it tomorrow. I might get a little bit of that on the video and get that thing ready so when I get back from vacation, hopefully get back down the fields for a little while. And then the following weekend we might be making another road trip, pick up another piece of equipment. Just have to see how everything goes. But my OCD, I feel better with the shop halfway cleaned up now. So like I said, it might be a dull video for a day or two here. Not a whole lot. It's just like I said, the daily routine here, stuff that's got to be done. Definitely got to get the truck back going. 2 pieces of farm equipment to pick up, so that's going to take precedence over anything else. So just want to say thank you for everybody for watching. I really appreciate that. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Just click the subscribe button, doesn't cost anything. You know, no issues there. Just click it and that helps the channel out. Thumbs up if you like what you see. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. You know, share the video, get it out there if you know anybody that could possibly be interested in some of this stuff. Like I said, it's all farm related. What I do here daily at the farm, just got to get caught up on a few projects, knocked quite a few out in the last week or so, and got some field work done. So until next time, thank you.